Hey guys, welcome back to Beef Hummus channel. 참을로 test delay 감상. So guys, we finally reached just a small lock. Arunima, come on! Let's go. We're gonna go and have lunch. I think the hotel in so now we are going where? KFC. Oh. It's just 2 minutes walkable distance. Starbucks, KFC, yeah. Finally, finger licking. How is the zinger burger? Not that good. This one is good. This one is good. Everyone is heading to their room. Yes! We are excited. We are waiting for the exam. And no one is bothered about the exam. I think the fear is gone. After coming to this beautiful Holiday Inn, everybody thinks vacation mode. So, KFC I'm going to sleep. Yeah, Ninjala.
I'm here to do a couple of assessment on you, okay?
Okay.
Clinical assessment as well as to complete a health questionnaire, okay?
Yeah.
So, some questions, alright? Okay. Okay. Previously, one of my colleagues has already completed your health questionnaire. So, shall we discuss about the questions?
Yes.
Okay. Indicates that you have a major depression. I'm sorry to say that to you, but you know we are here to help you. Okay.
Okay.
We have a good medical team.
Thank you.
Okay. Your doctor will definitely refer you to a psychotherapy and start with.
Am I crazy, nurse?
Oh, Carly, I know that. I can. Yesterday you told something new, I forgot. You told me to tell something, I forgot.
Yeah.
What's that?
Am I crazy? Means.
Wait. Carly. Carly, you know, I'm also a mother. And I'm also a nurse. You know, I've seen patients with this condition. I've seen many patients. They came over this, you know, just follow the medications. Just have the medications that your doctor gives you.
Okay.
And proper psychotherapy can definitely help you overcome the situation. Okay?
Alright.
Does it sound good to you?
Yes.
Okay, Carly. Do you have any other concerns?
No, nurse.
Okay, I will escalate this findings to your doctor. Okay?
Okay.
So he will come and recheck you. Okay?
Alright.
So meanwhile, if you need anything, just call me using the call bell.
Okay.
Okay. I completed my document. I have make sure the equipments are cleaned and ready for next use.
Okay. Pass.
Nice.
Oh God. Let's see. Where are we?
Coffee.
Starbucks.
Starbucks. Yeah.
What are you having?
Hot chocolate.
What?
Hot chocolate.
What was that? Let's go. Second.
Fitness room is.
Okay. Now we are going to take some pictures. Yeah. So, Arunima and
like,
I
share and subscribe.
Are you ready for ready for your exam?
Yeah. I am not ready.
Look at this girl. See, everyone is with the book.
I only have this.
We got dinner is done and it's nothing but.
She's a buji.
Oh, she's a buji.
Yeah.
Buji meaning?
Buji.
Those with brains.
Oh, buddhi, buddhi.
Yeah, with
Intelligence Sridevi.
Okay.
study English.
We call her Winner Sridevi.
Now we are going and we will sleep. Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Oh,
Like, share and subscribe.
my God, you've already told that.
All the best, guys.
Good.
We are going to our room. Morning. Anna, morning. Yeah. So, exit ang sarleso. Are you ready? Ready for the exam? You're looking nice. Last minute study. Fighting, guys. We are going to write exam now. Window. Yeah. Are you ready? I am just liking. After exam, on sama exam so, and we are just so sad.
Guys, we are going to eat, guys.
He's like, go, you guys go ahead. I just want to take video. No, go. No problem. And we are inside. Now we are here just to refresh our mind. Manuel, Reshma, Deepak, and we have here is Mr. Rindo and myself. I'm sorry, but I want to take picture.
Okay.
This is shawarma, another shawarma, and
Sibas.
Sibas.
And that one is fried also.
Yes, we got it, guys.
Thank you very much. Chili sauce ketchup.
We are heading back. Guys, we finished our exam, but then I don't know.
No panic. Nothing. Don't know. All is well.
Yeah, all is well. All is
Wait
well.
and see.
All is well.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even matter.